Hello students, welcome in biology class. Today we are studying cell organelles, structure and function of cell organelles, which cell organelles is lysosomes or suicidal bags. Okay, lysosomes word make from two words lyso plus soma. Lyso means digestion and soma means body. It means lysosomes are digesting body which perform digestion process. Okay. Lysosomes was firstly discovered by G. Dewey in liver cell, rat liver cell. Okay. G. Dewey firstly discovered lysosomes in liver cells of rat. Lysosomes name was given because it contained hydrolytic hydrolysis enzyme which perform digestion process. So they named lysosomes. Lysosomes are found in all eukaryotic cells. Lysosomes are found in all eukaryotic cells except mammalian RBC. It means they are absent in mammalian RBC and prokaryotes. Lysosomes are structurally like small bag. Lysosomes are structurally like a small bag. Their diameter is approximate 0.25 to 0.8 micrometer. Lysosomes are structurally bag-like structures. Their diameter is vary from 0.25 to 0.8 micrometer, and it contains a matrix in which more than 50 types of hydrolysis enzyme. It contains more than 50 types of acid hydrolysis enzymes such as lipase, RNase, DNase, carboxylase, lipases, peptidase, and etc. Okay, so more than 50 types of hydrolytic enzymes are contained in this bag, and they perform digestion process and help in digestion process. Okay, lysosomes are mainly formed by Golgi body. Lysosomes are mainly formed by Golgi body. It means their formation is done by Golgi body. Okay. On the basis of structure and functions, lysosomes are four types of lysosomes. On the function and structures, lysosomes are four types. First type is primary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes are which lysosomes which are newly formed lysosomes which have inactive hydrolysis enzymes. That types of lysosomes are called primary lysosomes, and it is formed by Golgi body. Okay. Next is secondary lysosome. Secondary lysosomes are formed by the result of phagocytosis or pinocytosis. It means endocytosis. Secondary lysosomes are formed by the result of phagocytosis or pinocytosis, and hence it was called phagosomes or pinosomes. If we say in the other words, secondary lysosomes are formed by the fusion of primary lysosomes and food vacuole. When a food vacuole is fused with primary lysosome, then it forms secondary lysosome, in which food particles and enzymes are filled. Food vacuole and primary lysosomes are fused together and form a complete lysosome, that is called secondary lysosomes. Okay, and in which food and enzymes are filled. Okay, so this is secondary lysosomes. Next is autosomes. Autosomes are formed in the result of autophagy. In this process, these lysosomes of open cells digested all parts of open cells. In this process, in autosome process, lysosome digests the all parts or organelles of the open cell, and which contain food and remaining enzymes. That is called autosomes. And last types of lysosome is residual body. It is the types of it contain undigested foods and remaining enzymes, which is left by the secondary lysosomes. These lysosomes are filled with undigested food and remaining enzymes, and these substances are removed from the cells by the process of exocytosis. Okay, the residual body is the type of lysosomes which contain undigested food and remaining enzymes that are removed from the cell by the process of exocytosis. So these are types of lysosome on the basis of function and structures. Okay. Now we are talking about the function of lysosome. What functions are performed by lysosomes? The first function is lysosomes perform intracellular digestion. Lysosomes perform intracellular digestion in phagosomes or pinosomes. Okay. Second function is lysosomes are perform extracellular digestion. They also perform extracellular digestion. And third function is autophagy. Lysosomes show autophagy. In this process, they digest all the cell organelles or parts of open cell. That is called autophagy. And fourth function, lysosomes are helped in the germination of seed by the digesting of stored food. That stored food gives energy to the seeds for germination. Okay, so this is the function of lysosomes. Okay, so that this is all about the lysosomes, and here is a most important question putting for that is why the lysosomes are called suicidal bags. Why lysosomes are called suicidal bag? This is the most important question and asking the all exams. The answer of this question, due to some suitable reason, the lysosome are ruptured or burst in the cell, and the all digestive enzymes are spreaded in all cells, and they digest all the cell organelles or parts of the cells, and it causes the death of cell. The cell may death. So the lysosomes are called suicidal bags. Okay, so this is the most important question of the lysosomes, or which is asking in all competitive exams and board exams and normal exams. Okay, so this is all about lysosomes. Now we are studying next cell organelles, which is vacuoles. Next cell organelles is vacuoles. Vacuoles, which is firstly discovered by Dujardin in 1941. Vacuoles are discovered by Dujardin in 1941. Vacuoles may be one or more small or large, but bounded by single unit membrane and grounded in structures. This is vacuole. It is found mostly in plant cells. They are absent or small in size in animal cells. Vacuoles are small or large, may be small or large, one or more, but bounded by a single unit membrane and rounded in shape. Okay. The living membranes which surround the cell shape of vacuole is called tonoplast. The membrane of vacuole is called tonoplast, and fluid filled in the vacuole is called cell shape. Fluid filled in vacuole is called cell shape. Okay. The cell shape of vacuole include sugars, amino acids, minerals, and waste products, waste substance. These are all called ergostic substance. Amino acids, sugars, waste products, and minerals, all are called ergostic substance. Okay. And the cell shape of fruits and flowers, cell shape of fruits and vacuoles of fruits and flowers contain anthocyanin pigments of blue, yellow, red color, which provide color to the fruits and flowers. Okay. So cell shape of fruits and flowers contain anthocyanin pigments which provide different types of colors to the fruits and flowers. Okay. Now on the basis the structures and function of vacuoles, 4 types of vacuoles are found. First is sap vacuole. Sap vacuole is that type of vacuole, or which type of vacuole which is store ergostic substance. That vacuole store ergostic substance called sap vacuole. And second type of vacuole is contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole perform osmoregulation process. It help in osmoregulation of the living organism. That is called contractile vacuole. It is found in animal cells like parameciums. Third type of vacuole is food vacuole. Food vacuole is that vacuole which is in which digestion of food take place. Okay, so that type of vacuole is called food vacuole, in which digestion of foods is take place. And fourth type of vacuole is air vacuole. Air vacuole is found in prokaryotic cells. Air vacuole is found in prokaryotic cells, and in this vacuole metabolic air is stored. Air producing the different metabolic process which is stored in that vacuole, and it provides buoyancy to the cell. Okay, it provides buoyancy to the cell. So this is all about the structure of vacuoles. Now the function of vacuoles. What function are performed by vacuoles? First function, vacuoles store and concentrate the food material. Vacuoles store and concentrate the food materials and minerals. Okay. Second function, it helps to maintain osmoregulation because of contractile vacuole. It helps in osmoregulation. Third function, it store waste product, means ergostic substance. It store waste product or ergostic substance. And fourth, it provide to color of the fruits and flowers because that contain anthocyanin pigments in the sap of vacuole, which provide color to the fruits and flowers, and which attract the insect for pollination, and it helps in the dispersal of foods. Okay, so it's also helping dispersal of fruits. So this is all about the structure and function of vacuoles. Now next we are studying next topic, which is next cell organelles is microtubules. Microtubules firstly seen by Porter in 1963 in plants and Robertis and Franchi in 1953 in animal cells. Okay. So, first of all, microtubules seen by Porter in plant cell, Robertis and Franchi in animal cell, and the name microtubules are given by Schulterbeck. Name given by Schulterbeck. Now talking about the structure of microtubules. Microtubules are unbranched rounded tubules. Unbranched rounded tubules. Their diameter is 25 nanometer. Their diameter is 25 nanometer, and they are made up of tubulin protein. They are made up of tubulin protein, and they are found in cilia, flagella, spindle fibers, and cilia, flagella, spindle fibers, etc. Now they consist of two subunits. Microtubules consist of two subunits, alpha and beta subunits. Microtubules consist of two subunits, alpha and beta subunits. Each subunits are arranged in spiral array. Alpha and beta subunits are arranged in spiral array, and each subunits include 13 tubules, 13 subunits, and make a complete unit. Two subunits in a unit, first is alpha and second beta. Each subunits has 13 tubules. Okay, we can see here alpha unit include 13 tubules and beta also include 13 tubules. Both have 3 common tubules. You can also say alpha is complete but beta is incomplete subunits. And these subunits are arranged in spiral array to form microtubules. So microtubules are formed by the polymerization of these subunits. Okay, and the microtubules are absent in amoeba and prokaryotic cells. It is an important point. Microtubules are found in amoeba and prokaryotes. Amoeba is a eukaryotic animals, protozoa animals. So it is important which eukaryotes lack microtubules. The answer is amoeba. Okay. Next, the function of microtubules. What function done by microtubules? The first function, it provides cytoskeleton to the cell, which provides definite shape to the cell. Second function, they form centriole. Third function, they form spindle fiber. Fourth function, they form cilia and flagella. And fourth function, it helps in the division of plant cell. Okay, so this is all about the function of microtubules. Okay, so I hope you can understand better. So if you understand these topics, then like video and share video and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.